Darren, I wanted to bring up this idea about the legislature. They're talking about stuff. I know a lot of it's related to tenant landlord stuff.
Right, and they always make changes. They always try to make it easier for a tenant.
Yeah.
And I know they mean well. They have great intentions.
But it usually backfires on them, doesn't it?
It usually does.
This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
And so, if you hear about, if you're one of those persons who speak to your legislatures, your assembly person or whatnot, most of the changes they try to do, in my opinion, with landlord-tenant law, they're trying to arrest a problem. I get it. A large apartment complex may be very rough and difficult with one of their tenants, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
But the more changes they make, all they do is directly affect the mom and pop landlord.
Right.
Yep.
The mom and pop landlord are usually the nicest, most amicable work with you.
Yep.
And so and I've met with the legislature. I've met with the committees that try to put these bills in, and I say, I don't make it more difficult to evict someone because you're trying to save that tenant.
Yeah.
Because what you're really going to do is eliminate the cottage industry of many people own second and third homes as a way to build up their retirement,
right,
etc. And if you make it too difficult for them to be a landlord, landlords won't go away.
Yeah.
We will always have landlords.
Yeah, there's people out there selling the idea that renting's better than buying, that's another topic.
They will literally
altogether.
become more ruthless landlords will be
Yeah.
what is left. And that's not what you want. You
Indeed.
don't want to make the environment too difficult. California, bless their heart. They are, because I work in California too. And
Bless their hearts,
bless their
Carly.
heart. They are constantly trying to fix it. And it's like, guys, you're making it so hard on the average person who just wanted to buy that second home.
Yep.
And hold on to it for 20, 30 years. And, one less person who has a little bit of one more person who has a little bit of retirement and they're doing fine. If you make it too difficult on them, you only end up with large corporation landlords who can handle all the new rules.
Yep.
So if you hear about all these changes and whatever, I always say push back.
Yeah.
This
Leave it alone.
The 7-day pay or quit, how to handle a security deposit, what the tenant gets back.
Right.
It's already there.
Right.
It's all there.
Yep. The one thing I heard about that I kind of do like, because we do this already, is the transparency in what you're paying.
Mm-hmm.
They're talking about all these additional fees to the monthly rent and this and that. Blah, blah, blah. We've always just charged rent, and that's it, and you pay for your own utilities. Where they're adding in plus this, plus this, plus this. I don't like, and that's the big companies are doing that.
I know.
So I'd like to see them.
Well,
I'm kind of okay with that.
They put in a garbage fee, literally, for
Right.
garbage.
Yeah.
Garbage fee. Do you like that joke? That's a RESPA joke for realtors. And we love RESPA jokes.
RESPA joke, yeah. It's like I
So
live
they
for
put in a
RESPA
fee
jokes.
like that, and it's really $7, and they charge $22,
Exactly.
which isn't a lot of money, but it does add up.
It does,
Right.
And that's so I'd like to see
So
the
if the
transparency.
tenant finds out it's only a $7 fee.
No, because they agreed to it.
Yeah,
It was, a
It's in the lease.
convenience fee or garbage
Right.
fee. They call it well, we have to pick garbage up for you
Right.
or something.
Right.
it's kind of like when you go to the hotels and you have to pay that the
Resort
resort
fee.
fee,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
kind of stuff. That drives
Well,
me crazy.
it's coming. If you talk to your legislature, tell them leave the landlord tenant stuff alone.
Yeah.